Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Choose a fully mature lion's main fruiting body with visible teeth and firm texture. Inspect for contamination, insects, or slime. Discard any fruiting bodies that show rot. Work in a clean area using gloves, a mask, alcohol, and flame-sterilized scalpel. Reduce air currents by closing doors and vents. Collect spores at night or in low light onto sterile paper or glass to maximize deposition. Prepare labels with date, location, and strain notes. Have sterile storage envelopes and desiccant ready for immediate packaging after collection. Trim a 1 to 2 centimeter section of the base to expose fresh teeth and avoid contaminated tissue. Place the mushroom on sterile paper or glass with a glass jar inverted as a dome to prevent drafts and maintain humidity. Leave undisturbed for 12 to 24 hours to deposit a visible spore print. Check after 12 hours and extend to 24 if print is faint. Carefully lift the cap straight up to avoid smearing. Fold the paper into an envelope or scrape the glass with a sterile razor for storage or microscopy. Make a sterile spore syringe by scraping a clean area of the print into sterile water with 0.1% sterile saline and shaking to suspend spores. Work near a flame or in a flow hood. Filter through sterile cotton if debris is present. Label syringes with date, location, and dilution, and store at 4 degrees C for short-term use. Avoid repeated freeze-thaw cycles. For long-term storage, dry prints under silica gel and keep in airtight envelopes in a cool, dark place to preserve viability for months to years.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.